Hello and welcome to my channel. For today I prepared an easy video with wooden heart. This time I want to show you how to glue napkins without wrinkles. My heart isn't new and needs little bit of preparation before the painting. I remove the string and I keep it as I want to put it back later on. Then I use thick sandpaper to mat the surface of my item so paint can stick to it better. First, I apply layer of dark brown acrylic paint on top and sides of my heart using tapping sponge. If you are using brush, you might need 2 or 3 layers of paint. You are more than welcome to visit my online shop for decoupage supplies. We have hundreds of rice papers, napkins, paints, liquid pairs and so on. You can read our T's and C's on how to order internationally, as we are happy to post all over the world for you. You don't need to pay anything when you order from outside of UK. We are happy to provide you with posting charge quote, and then you can make the decision if you want to go ahead or not. When brown paint is dry, I use shabby medium, which will help to create distressed look on my heart. It simply helps to remove some of white paint, leaving brown color in place. I apply thin layer of liquid and let it dry completely. As you know, we must glue napkins on either white or very light backgrounds, because paint which is underneath will show through the paper. If you glue on dark background, whole picture will go dark and blurry. You can also use candle instead of shabby medium in places where you want your scratches. When liquid is dry, I apply layer of white paint using tapping sponge once again. If we are using napkins, we can create scratches on our work after gluing images, but it is perfectly okay to create distressed look before. Napkins are very thin and will get scratched with sandpaper easily. Please remember, when using rice paper, you must create scratches first, then glue your images. I remove 2 bottom layers of my napkin, leaving only top color one. Then I place my image on cello back facing down and I add water on top of my napkin, stretching it gently with fan brush. As you can see, paper napkin expands under the water and my brush is smoothing all the wrinkles. Once my job is done, I remove excess water using kitchen towels. When my napkin is ready, I apply thin layer of varnish on top of the heart and I place my napkin on top of it. Then I press kitchen towel against plastic film to squeeze air from underneath the napkin. When this is done, I gently remove plastic film and I apply a layer of varnish using fan brush. As you can see in close-up, there are no wrinkles at all, not even small single one. Once everything is dry, I use thick sandpaper to remove excess on edges as well as to create scratches all over my work. I glued one large piece of napkin, so there is no level difference, there are no wrinkles, so couple of layers of varnish will be just enough to protect the heart, and my work is done in less than 2 days time. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for another video.